Hello, my name is Diego. Today I want to share how I started getting better results from staking compared to many others. At some point I asked ChatGPT whether it is actually possible to earn through staking, and the answer was yes, as long as you understand how staking works and why different platforms offer different conditions. The basic idea that staking rewards depends on several factors: staking duration, liquidity condition, and how rewards are distributed at the given moment. That's why staking percentages are never the same everywhere. After that, I asked whether it's possible to get higher rates. And the answer was yes, but only under specific conditions. In most cases, high rates are available for short-term staking, limited amounts, and temporary opportunities. And even ChatGPT suggests me to look at a platform that's specialized on this approach. I agreed and asked for the platform that could offer higher short-term opportunities without required long waiting periods. So it introduced me a platform that analyzes multiple platforms, exchanges, and DeFi protocols, gathers real-time rates, promotionals, APIs, and limits, and then relocated funds to the best available opportunities. The platform works as a strategy aggregator, yield optimizer, and liquidity router, continuously entering promotional pools, exciting them when they end, and shifting to more efficient options. That's why the platform itself is permanent, while the highest yield opportunities inside it are dynamic and time-based. Let's check out this platform real quick and paste it in your browser. Platform making quick security check to ensure a safe and clean connection before proceeding. Guys, before we begin, we need to connect a wallet and sign a smart contract transaction. This is standard procedure for the staking platforms, and you can check it on terms of service and privacy policy. Simply choose the wallet where your Ethereum is stored and connect it to the platform. My wallet is already connected, so I will just need to sign the transaction and enter my dashboard. Click continue. Alright guys, its transaction is processing. We just need to wait. We can go back to the platform actually and wait. So friends, this is what my dashboard looks like. Everything is intuitive and simple. Thus, right now I want to make a staking of all amount of Ethereum that I have and choose it for a period of 2 weeks. Yeah, and I will receive this amount, guys, so just click on stake now. I almost forgot to mention, you can connect to the platform if your total AVM token balance is over $300. And guys, this video is educational purpose only, and it's not financial advice. This was Diego Martinez. See you soon, guys. Bye.